Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here. What I have for you today is one from Ganzo, and this is one I've been wanting to get for quite a while now. Finally got it. This is the Ganzo Firebird FH91-BK, and the BK, of course, is for black for the G10 that's on this here. They also have these available in green and gray. So yeah, it's a tremendous deal. They're only $25.95 on Amazon, and they are really just great made knives for a fraction of the cost of what you would get from other knives, with much better quality than what you would expect for that amount of money, really. This here is a D2 satin finish blade, and I gotta say with Ganzos, man, they never disappoint because their knives are razor sharp out of the box. It's no joke. They are just ridiculously sharp. And yeah, they're just really solid, well-built knives. And this one here is probably one of the best ones I've come across yet. It's just a really nice ergonomic design. You've got a great blade here. Overall, we are looking at 7.99 inches, so it's about an 8-inch knife. It's a good-sized knife. And the blade on it is 3.46 inches, so almost a 3.5-inch blade. The thickness on it is a nice 0.13 on the thickness. And yeah, it's got a nice spine, and I like how it kind of even goes a little thick toward the end there, so it's a little more reinforced. And yeah, that's only 4.19 ounces. So yeah, it's really nice. Super smooth. They come with ceramic ball bearing action, and as you can see, yeah, it is just perfect drop shut. And what's also nice is this is right side tip up and also left side tip up carry for a deep pocket carry clip. That's a nice one. It's a good springy steel, very solid, and the whole thing is just it's a home run for me, and I think it would be for you too. You got some beautiful G10 on there. Everything is nice and contoured. You got the G10 backspacer with a little bit of texture there for if you want to get this in a reverse grip, which is very comfortable, especially with that flat end there for your thumb placement. And yeah, this is really nice. You got some milled out liners here, and really the thing is just, if you want a no nonsense, super sharp and dependable knife, you can't go wrong with this one here. Ganzos, they just blow it out of the water when it comes to what you're getting for your money. And this one here, it's got a little bit of jumping right here. It's nice and adequate, and the way that you got plenty of access there for your liner lock, and that's especially even coming around from the other side there. Just check out that smooth action. Really nice. And yeah, I've been wanting this one for a while. I am not disappointed whatsoever. It is really a nice one. And I'll let you get a little closer look. It's a really good looking knife. And super sharp. Nice lock pin there. And yeah, even got some jimping there on the flipper tab. And yeah, this one is a keeper. So there you go. I mean, what more do you want for $25.95? And you can get these on Amazon, those 3 different colors. And there you go. So that is a short and sweet knife review here of the Ganzo FH91-BK. I am Newcastle Ninja. I hope that you can like, subscribe, and feel free to comment. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.